Deep-sea mining is the process of retrieving mineral deposits from the ocean floor below 200 meters, also defined as deep seabed, covering 2/3 of the total seafloor. Here is what you need to know about deep-sea mining. The main types of deep-sea deposits are polymetallic nodules, polymetallic sulfide deposits, and cobalt-rich crusts, each requiring different extraction techniques. Extracting ocean floor resources requires innovative, environmentally friendly techniques that minimize harm and maximize benefits. Robotic innovations and advanced machinery have revolutionized seabed exploration, allowing access to previously unreachable areas. Submersibles with giant suction pipes collect metallic nodules from the seabed. These technologies not only improve efficiency but also reduce environmental impact by minimizing disturbances and eliminating the need for human divers. For example, Nautilus Minerals has developed robotic machines to extract high-grade sulfide deposits of copper and gold from depths over 1,500 meters, designed to handle the challenges of extreme pressure and corrosive saltwater. Current estimates suggest that seabed mineral deposits could satisfy global demand for several centuries at current consumption rates, providing an unprecedented opportunity for growth in numerous sectors. By May 2022, the International Seabed Authority, which regulates activities in the seabed beyond national jurisdiction, had issued 31 contracts to explore deep-sea mineral deposits. More than 1.5 million square kilometers of international seabed, roughly the size of Mongolia, has been set aside for mineral exploration. To date, the ISA has only issued exploration contracts but is developing regulations to govern the transition to exploitation. Mining in international waters could commence as soon as 2026, even though vital research and work to adopt the required regulations, standards, and guidelines to manage deep-sea mining sustainably is far from complete. Projected to become a $2.5 billion industry by 2030, deep-sea mining presents an avenue for future resource acquisition while simultaneously posing questions about its environmental impact and the technical challenges it entails. Mining the deep ocean floor has been discussed since the 1960s. But the transition to clean energy and ambitious climate targets have fueled a growing interest in the mineral deposits of the seabed. This is caused by depleting terrestrial deposits of metals such as copper, nickel, aluminum, manganese, zinc, lithium, and cobalt, as the demand for these metals from technologies like smartphones, wind turbines, solar panels and batteries is increasing. But deep-sea mining brings along a lot of issues. Submarine mining presents a new frontier in resource extraction with its unique set of challenges, such as environmental concerns, sustainable practices, legal implications, and technological limitations. Depleting terrestrial deposits and rising demand for metals mean deep-sea mining may begin soon, even though research suggests deep-sea mining could severely harm marine biodiversity, wipe out species and ecosystems. We still lack the knowledge and means to implement protections. There are three clear issues identified. First issue is the disturbance of the seafloor. The digging and gauging of the ocean floor by machines can alter or destroy deep-sea habitats. This leads to the loss of species and the fragmentation or loss of ecosystem structure and function. It is the most direct impact from deep-sea mining and the damage caused is most likely permanent. Second issue are sediment plumes. Deep-sea mining will stir up fine sediments on the seafloor, creating plumes of suspended particles. This is exacerbated by mining ships discharging wastewater at the surface. Scientists are concerned these particles may disperse for hundreds of kilometers, take a long time to resettle on the seafloor, and affect ecosystems and commercially important or vulnerable species. And finally, pollution. Species such as whales, tuna and sharks could be affected by noise, vibrations and light pollution caused by mining equipment and surface vessels, as well as potential leaks and spills of fuel and toxic products. Several governments, including those of Germany, Spain, New Zealand, Norway and the UK, support a moratorium on deep-sea mining until environmental regulations are in place. Global brands and major users of battery technology including Samsung, Google, Volvo and BMW have also backed a moratorium on deep-sea mining. Despite the challenges, deep-sea mining could make a decisive contribution to the energy transition if new deposits of important minerals can be tapped, subject to strict environmental protection requirements. Invest in the clean energy future. Invest with Talk Capital Management.